Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my introduction video. My name is Tibor, and what I'm going to share with you are service and maintenance materials of motorbikes, cars, power tools, whichever comes. Right behind me there are the main characters, my favorites, especially this piece of Italian beauty. This is a 2019 Ducati Multistrada F60S. I found quite a little material about maintenance, service, and there are not much material available on the web. So I'm going to share with you my experience, my knowledge, and I will show you how to service and maintenance this beautiful piece of beast. This one is a 2003 Suzuki DRZ 400. Recently overhauled, so the topics will be service, maintenance as usual. And the small one is a piece of Italian history. It's a 1986 Vespa PK50 XL Rush. That's a subject of restoration, so this bike will be completely teared down and rebuilt. So if you are interested in what I'm going to share with you, then follow me.